The Supreme Court expressed serious concern over the delay in submitting forensic report on leaked audio recordings allegedly implicating ex-Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren in the ongoing ethnic violence in the state. A bench comprising Justices Sanjay Kumar and Satish Chandra Sharma questioned the union government over the 3-month delay in furnishing the fresh forensic analysis, which was ordered in May after the earlier report was deemed inadequate. During the hearing, Justice Kumar asked what has happened to the forensic report and how long will Central FSL take to submit fresh forensic report. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta informed the court that the matter is being looked into and requested 2 more weeks to file the report. The court allowed the request and fixed the next hearing for August 19. The case pertains to audio tapes that surfaced in August 2024 where a voice allegedly resembling ex-Chief Minister Biren'S is heard making statements that could be seen as inciting communal violence between Meitei and Kuki-Zo communities. While a private lab earlier gave 93% voice match, the Supreme Court had directed the Central Forensic Science Lab to conduct an independent verification. The petition was filed by the Kuki Organization for Human Rights Trust, seeking a court-monitored probe into the tapes.